You didn't expect to see me here, did you? I'm at the Women's Land Army Hostel in Brenzett, near Ashford. The cook here, she's an old friend of mine, and she contacted me because she's in a terrible flurry. All her catering staff have gone down with a really nasty bug, and she has 48 hungry land girls to feed. And we've known each other for many years. We attended the same domestic science college together, and so I've come in to give her a hand. In the kitchen, I've been making some galantine for their supper. They're due any time now. The lorries will be bringing them back from the fields. So I'm going to change and put my pinny on to make myself look a little bit cheerier for their weary souls. Come on down tomorrow to the new Romney Wartime Collection special home front day. And I can show you all the meals that I've been helping cook for the land girls today. So here's that Galantine recipe, adapted for you to use at home. It will feed a family of 6.
A lovesick youth and maiden down on the farm, with hearts so heavy laden, down on the farm. They held each other's hands and looked into each other's eyes, and started to tell each other lies. He kissed her by the cowshed door. She said, I've not been kissed before. And the mockingbird went hoo-hoo, and the donkey went he said, my love, I swear to you. She said, I'll smack you if you do. And the mockingbird went hoo-hoo, and the donkey went Merrily fly, said, oh, how you tease me. I'm so shy, when you start to squeeze me. He said, come tell me, pretty miss, where did you learn to squeeze and kiss? And the mockingbird went hoo-hoo, and the donkey went She said, I love the twilight, down on the farm. Said he, the dark is my light, down on the farm. Said she, you seem so big and brave and nice and strong to me. Said he, yes, I had onions for my tea. He said, I love you, yes I do. She said to him, oh yes, says you. And the mockingbird went hoo-hoo, and the donkey went He said, you're sweet beyond belief. Said she, you said it, okay, chief. And the mockingbird went hoo-hoo, and the donkey went Nelly Bly, said, walk round the houses, just twilight, go and milk the cows. As they sat neath the stars above, she said to him, oh, what is love? And the mockingbird went and the donkey went hoo-hoo. While she sat there and milked the cow, I'll do my bit, said he, and how? And the mockingbird went hoo-hoo, and the donkey went He found an old three-legged stool and sat right down to milk the bull. And the mockingbird went hoo-hoo, and the donkey went Nelly Bly, went calling the lather, began to cry, shouting, why, that's the cow's father. He turned white and looked surprised, then to the bull apologized. And the mockingbird went and the donkey went Good job there weren't any parrots there. I would have got the whole stomach.
There you go, girls. After a long, hard day in the fields, how about a lovely slice of galantine?